If you want to watch this video in Hindi or Telugu, check in the description. Hello everyone. Today's topic is teleportation. So, what is teleportation? Going to one place to another place without traveling the original physical distance. For many years, teleportation has been fictional. So many English movies, series and books have shown beyond possibilities. Like going to another place on the earth or going to another planet or moon or going to alternate universe. It is believed that God and ghosts have the ability of teleporting, that is disappearing from one place and reappearing at another place. What happens in teleportation? The object is dematerialized at one place and it's converted into some sort of information. Then this information is transported to another place and there it is rematerialized, and so that the object is formed from the scratch. Actually, teleportation is not yet scientifically proven till now in bigger objects like human or non-living things. But teleportation is being achieved in small particles like electrons and photons. In this, quantum teleportation is used. The quantum teleportation concept is based on quantum entanglement, which doesn't violate Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So basically what happens is in this the particles quantum state is being replicated at another place. For defining a quantum state for an electron, you can use clockwise or anti-clockwise spin of an electron. Teleportation ways. If you have supernatural powers or you are a magician, you can teleport from one place to another place. Second way, disintegrating an object at a place and reintegrating at some other place. Third way, cloning technique. In this technique, the object is scanned at one place and its information is transmitted to another place, and at that place the object is recreated with the materials present over there. So among these, which way is appropriate? By magic is beyond imagination. The main problem in teleportation is transmitting the disintegrated particles to some other place without any information leak and recreating at that place from scratch. When it comes to cloning technique, creating cloning according to quantum mechanics is not possible. As per biology, cloning means sharing same DNA. When it comes to physics, the relative position, momentum and energy levels of all the particles must be identical, and also their interaction and bonds must also be identical. According to quantum mechanics rule, transformation distribution, it says that the sum of all parts must be equal to sum of individual parts. That is, in a simpler way to understand, a plus b whole square must be equal to a square plus b square. But we know that it's a square plus b square plus 2ab. Cloning violates this rule. It is not possible theoretically and practically as per quantum mechanics. In Star Trek series, Captain Kirk and his teammate use a transporter, a teleportation machine, which helps them to go from spaceship to any alien planet. This transporter actually analyzes the atomic structure of this person and then it dematerializes them on the spaceship and rematerializes on alien planet. In Fringe series, Dr. Walter creates a teleportation device which uses high amount of radiation to disintegrate a person at one place and integrate at some another place. And after that, the person must attain the equilibrium chamber so that the atoms in his body can come to equilibrium state from excitation state. If he doesn't go to equilibrium chamber, he may end up in a distorted shape or his body parts may be misplaced. It is also shown that if this machine, that is if teleportation device is used number of times, he may end up in distorted figure. So this machine is used by villain to escape from jail. It is also shown that heroine has the capability of teleporting to alternate universe. In Prestige movie, Nikola Tesla creates a cloning device for the magician. The magician uses machine to show the real transported man trick. On 24th October 1593, a soldier was guarding the governor's palace at Philippines. The day before, the governor Gomez was assassinated, but the guards were still guarding the place and awaiting for the new governor. The soldier felt dizzy and exhausted and just leaned against the wall for a moment with closed eyes. When he opened his eyes, he found himself in the city of Mexico, which is 1,000 kilometers across the ocean. Some of the guards found him in wrong uniform and surrounded him and questioned him that who he was. The news of assassination of governor of Philippines was still unknown to the people of Mexico City. The guard was in the guard's uniform and knew the death of governor. Then the authorities placed him in the jail. Months later, the news of the death of governor came to Mexico City in a ship from Philippines. One of the passengers recognized the imprisoned guard and he informed that the guard was there in the Philippines the day after the governor's death. Eventually, the officials released him from the jail and was allowed to go back to home. So this is a question for you. If a man is teleported to another place, like dematerializing at one place and rematerializing at some another place, so whether he will be thinking the same as the original person, whether he will have the same thoughts, memories and intelligence of the same original person, do comment your version of your theory in the comment section. Okay, we'll meet you in the next episode with a new sci-fi topic. Until then, goodbye.